I just want you to listen to the sounds of nature. We decided to turn around and just see what we can get to see at the Garden Route National Park. It wasn't part of the plans, but plans are made to be changed.
Let's see. We go up there.
That'll be nice.
Farley Indigenous Forest.
Just going to take a little drive into the Garden Route National Park and see what it's like. There's hiking trails, mountain biking trails.
Thank heavens. Thank heavens we're not doing that one.
Yeah, that's a rough one. No, you'll need a four-wheel drive for that one. Go up there. Yeah.
Oh. It's all dead though.
No, there must have been a fire here a while ago. Look here. Definitely a fire. That's a steep one coming. Ah, I love this. Here we go again. Always get the exciting ones that aren't on the plan, eh? It's not too bad, but it's a nice view.
I wonder if that's the chalets one can come and stay in.
Most probably. Look at these trees are dead, eh? From the fire.
Completely.
Oh, this must have been a long time ago though.
You think?
Oh yeah. Because you look at this shrubbery that's growing here now. Wow, this must have been a major fire to have killed this tree.
To go up that high, look, eh? Absolutely scorched.
Incredible. Incredible. I wonder when this fire was. Massive trees.
I would love to know.
Massive trees have been destroyed, eh?
Oh, look like skeletons, eh?
Yeah. Well, it's a reminder.
But look at the rebirth.
Yep, exactly. And the rebirth is pretty powerful already, eh?
But it's just the years of growth
Oh
that have
man.
been lost.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. The fire wasn't here. You can see the fire didn't come here.
You can very clearly see the difference, eh?
Yeah. Because these must have been the similar trees.
It's
This is.
actually so hard saw.
Look how beautiful this is. What?
This is a proper forest,
It
eh?
is.
Lovely.
I just want you to listen to the sounds of nature. Sounds of the forest. And to think just a couple of 100 meters back, there was that major fire that must have destroyed a forest like this.
Exactly like this probably, yeah. Crowning glory would be a bokiki or something.
Yeah.
They must have buck.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Small buck probably.
Whoa.
Goes to the black and white ones.
Look at
are
that
my
brown and
favourite.
white one.
Yeah, it's cool, but the black and white ones are my favorite.
They are pretty, eh? Look, there's a little calf there in the tree.
I see.
Look at that pitch black one of the point. The horns, the points of the horns are black.
Look how shiny.
Yeah.
He is gorgeous, eh?
It's
And
a
look
she.
here. Oh, is it a she?
Yeah.
I've got an udder, sorry. And look at this one. There's no udder. This one that's like mottled and beige and whatever.
Oh, that's a bull.
There's something other than an udder. It's got tiny horns.
Yes. That's a little bull.
Okay.
Not a little bull though.
It's got tiny horns though.
Yeah. Back on the 7 Passes Road. See what passes we come across. No. Homtini Pass, yeah.
For the next 5K.
For the next 5Ks. That's pretty. How's this forest right here? Coming up this Homtini Pass, eh? Homtini Pass. I must be honest, this is crazy forest, eh? You can see we're approaching Knysna.
It is insane. And it's just like never ending.
Yeah. We came driving down this road now and we were heading towards Knysna, and we thought we were done with the 7 Passes Road because we've done about 3 or 4 of the passes, but we're heading to Knysna, and this was the route that I planned to go down that way. But then we saw that the Passes Road carries on this way, and it's one that we missed, and it looks like a stunning one. We're going to be doing the Phantom Pass. It was reconstructed in 1889, but it was built originally in 1862. So, yeah, we thought we're done with the Phantom, with the Passes Road, 7 Passes Road. Now, we found another piece, and this one takes us all the way through to Knysna, so it's going to be awesome. Again, I forgot to introduce you to our little dust bug. We've got a silver quid this time. The 7 Passes Road has really been nice.
Yeah, you thought we were done with it.
I thought we were done. This was a surprise. Phantom Riverview Private Estate.
Ooh, sounds pretty.
Yep. Look how pretty this is. Sonia says it looks like Switzerland. Pretty. Phantom View Lodges.
Wow.
Now you know where we come in on the N2 over here. We've always gone past this turnoff, and this used to come to Phantom's Pass.
Wow. We never turned off the N2 ever.
Ever, no. Look at this. Coming into Knysna.